Yes, please.
Suple.
Yeah.
Okay, he's our driver for today.
Yes, sir. And I bring you go to the hotel.
Sokolai Hotel.
Sokalai Hotel, right?
Right.
Okay. And the first time for you in Cambodia.
Yes.
Nice to meet you and welcome to Cambodia.
Thank you.
Yes. How was your flight today?
Oh, it's good.
So, in the morning.
Is it raining here?
Yeah, in the morning. Too
In
much
the
for rain.
morning. Okay, that's nice. So it's cooler in the morning,
Yeah.
but in the afternoon it's hot.
Afternoon so hot because this time for summer.
Oh, it's summertime.
Yes. Cambodia we have for 3 times for like the season. Have like summer, like the winter and rainy season.
When is winter?
Winter like the last month.
December.
Yeah, December.
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines, I know about like the Manila.
Yes,
Yeah,
Manila. You've been there?
No, for the taxi driver, I know like that country, and you know the Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah, Manny Pacquiao.
Right, for boxing, I like him. he is my idol. And
Are
this
they
is
near?
for my picture?
Alright. Oh, so you have this one.
I'm sorry because I'm taxi driver.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't mind for my service, bring you from the airport to the hotel. When you have your plan to visit any place around to this in Siem Reap, if you don't mind for me and me, I can to be your driver and take you. Normally, there's people when they go to visit around to
Too expensive naman.
No, expensive because I'm working from the company and
Okay.
everything that's not me. That's company. From the company they ask that's price for us, right?
Yeah.
And when you buy the taxi, where is the ticket for you buy the taxi, sir?
Uh,
The receipt.
yeah, it's there.